Thank you, Group 5, for your presentation. We now invite Group 3 to present their experimental design entitled The effect of water type of the mosquito and of the survival of mosquito larvae.
Good day to our respected panel of evaluators. Good day to our respected panel of evaluators, teachers, and fellow researchers. We are pleased to present our proposed research study entitled The Effect of Water Type on the Survival of Mosquito Larvae. First, we must introduce ourselves. My name is Denver Simon Diam Mangpa.
I am Elizabeth A. Bogales. I am Mayan Hidalgo.
I am Joanna User Osas Limas.
I am Jocelyn Marie Esther Sala. And I am AJ Aljane C. Ursula. Introduction or background. Mosquitoes are a big concern globally, especially in warm places like the Philippines. They carry diseases such as dengue, malaria, Zika, and chikungunya that can make people really sick. What many people don't realize is that mosquitoes start and land in water their eggs hatch in the tiny larvae that depends completely on water to eat, grow, and turn into tiny.
Ibutang sa akong lamisa, ibutang sa kuwan sa lamisa sa akong bag, kanang bag.
This experiment to identify
Sa lamisa,
the type
sa
of
lamisa.
water that
Bag na ko.
mosquito
Sa lamisa
larvae
sa lamisa.
growth advantage, and by knowing it, community can help know what type of water where mosquito larvae are not usually found.
Go back to your Aridan.
Step 1. 4 containers are assigned and labeled as specific type of water. Rainwater, canal water, tap water, and salt water. Step 2. The 4 labeled containers is then filled with 1 liter of their type of water. Step 3. All containers will be placed into the same area where they will not be disturbed. Step 4. All containers shall Step 4. Containers shall be observed daily for an appearance of a mosquito larvae. Step 5. Observations are recorded each day, noting which containers develop mosquito larvae and any visible changes in the water. Conclusion. In conclusion, the study entitled The Effect of Water Type on the Survival of Mosquito Larvae showed that the type of water affects the survival of mosquito larvae. Based on the observations and recorded results, canal water had the highest survival rate of mosquito larvae because it contains more nutrients that support their growth. Both rainwater and tap water had fewer surviving mosquito larvae because rainwater contains fewer nutrients, while tap water sometimes contains chlorine. Lastly, salt water had the lowest survival rate of mosquito larvae due to its high salt concentration. In short, water that contains more nutrients and also higher survival rate of mosquito larvae. Thank you, and we are ready to answer your questions.
Kuan sa may title.
Balik title.
Balik sa title.
May namin akong pangutana. So our question is, are you promoting the survival of mosquito? Meaning ba, inyo ba i-promote nga managhan ang lamok?
Anybody who can answer that?
Because your title says, the effect of water type on the survival of mosquito larvae. In short, are you promoting nga managhan ang lamok sa atong palibot? So amo di ang i-blame ani nga ang abulong gilamok-lamok na tadiri. Is this your study? Okay, please answer, Eliza. Go. No. Then why is it survival there? Ano survival man nato gibutang diha? Ah?
Gusto niyo ipabot diya.
Bitaw, yes. Ang ganana mo makaabot, sir, ganang...
Microphone in.
Ang ganana mo makaabot, sir, kay dapat ganang... Kung... Pwede pali ko ng question, sir?
Oh. Are you promoting the survival of mosquito larvae?
No, sir.
No, then what is your purpose then? Why you put survival man? What are you trying to point out in your research?
We are trying to point out, sir, sa type of water, sir, kay dapat may bawa na mo, sir, kay unsay pinakadaghan na water sa niya, mo to i-reduce.
Pinakadaghan nga water?
Ay, pinakadaghan ng mosquito larvae.
Ah, so mangita ra mo kung asa pinakadaghan mangitlog ang lamok at mora. After ana man na. What's next? What's next naman? Sige. Nakita na ninyo nga kaning tubiga kung sumangitlog diri ang lamok. After ana, unsa man? Magbuhat na mo mosquito farm. Ah, okay. So since nakita na ninyo nga kaning type of water, kusog mangitlog lamok diri, inyo tangog-tangon or i-remove you, totally eradicate ang kaning nga source of water. Kaya ari mangitlog ang mga lamok. Siba, kada ba itong purpose no? So our suggestion, tanga ang survival, ha? Diba? Termination ang pinaka-nindot na term. And with that, mabuo na to sa title, ang sa next question, ni chat na ako akong friend nga lamok, no, na siya. Kag kinsang kaliwat daw ang inyong gamit niya nga lamok. Is it the Aedes aegypti, the Aedes albopictus, or the Colex quenquefasciatus? Which of the species of mosquito are you talking about? The Aedes aegypti.
Is it male or female?
O male or female? Male or female daw? Huwag mo kabalo kung laki babae. Ba't niyo pakutanda sila? Bitaw no?
Mother ba yan?
Bitaw no? Matter is the gender of the mosquito in terms of resistance sa environment matter, no? So how are you able to ensure that na ang inyong na-collect ng mosquitoes are Aedes aegypti? Yun sa man yung pag-collect sila.
Bitaw. Say that point.
Oh, now, describe the
Amo siyang gi-research sir niya.
research ninyo. Ano sa research?
Amo siyang itanaw ang among itong lamok nga naa sa container na.
Okay.
Nakita na mo nga same kay sila sa Aedes aegypti.
Naamoy ka ng picture sa lamok sa inyong study
Ano picture?
para mo makita po ba?
Is it?
Visual, at least visual man lang validation sa lamok inyong napili kung Aedes aegypti ba ano?
Yes. Pwede mo may expert na
Oh.
i-validate na Egyptian din siya.
Eh, what if dahil no nga, di siya sa Aedes aegypti.
What if you
Oh, Aedes abuno rin naman. No? Bitado, relax lang tao no, kay I'm trying to make the environment light, kay it seems like ang uban no cool ba, inday, don't frown, okay? Smile, there you go. Mas nindot na mo defend nga nakasmile kaysa nabukot. Ha?
Hindi mo kailan mo ba mo isang
Sige. So, how did you able to make sure man, ensure that it is the Aedes aegypti? Ato lang yun, inyo lang gitanaw sa research ninyo, niya inyong gimemorize ang naong sa Aedes aegypti, niya ngayon gipangdako. Did you just...
May nagdakop ka na lamok sir.
Okay.
Ang gibiyaan ng tubig.
Ibiyaan na yung tubig.
Ang lamok may mo.
Ang lamok may muduol. Ya, saan niyo pag-ibaw nga ang Aedes aegypti may miduol ngadto? Dili itong larvae nga salida may miduol ngadto. Itong dia color red o yellow.
Yung sa niya pagsasalan. Any mo ka
Being
mosquito.
free all. Free all siya ma'am, may
Larvae
limit.
or mosquito daan? Larvae. Yung sa pagsaon sa larvae.
Doon sa may yung tingin mo sa pagbulik na mong tubig. Oh, nagpunto na mong tubig.
Unsa man na lang? Kanang tubig sa ulan. Kanang ano yung gikolekta? Ha? Asa mo kung pakuha siya na
I-explain ko na yung method.
Explain the methodology from gathering down to your... Sige. Also, step 1, yun sa ninyo. Sige, go.
Hindi ko na siya may explain din.
Hold the microphone.
Sige, Day. Lumaris si Day. Answer lang.
Four containers are assigned and labeled a specific type of water: rain water, canal water, tap water, and salt water. The four labeled containers is then filled with 1 liter of the desired type of water. All containers will be placed into the same area where they will not be stored.
Pila man ka days ang inyong papaabot.
7 days to
Sure, 7 days na dayon. Asa man ka? Which one na?
14 days. So 1 day, 1 to ang trial 1 kay 1 to 7 days niya, ang trial 2 kay 8 to 14 days.
So, ang sa trial 1, asa man nga water, kuhaan ninyo ang laay?
Wala.
Wala. So, zero na lang. So, pag-abot sa next 14 days,
Na siya pagkapan na sa canal water ang pinakalagan pag 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, until 40 days.
So nanay larvae nga nagpakita. Okay, so counting pila sa 14 days pila kabuok mosquito larvae ang naa sa canal water.
120.
120 for 8 days. For 14 days. For 14 days. Sa water, sa katong sa rainwater, 30.
14 days.
Sa 14 days. Kaya, sa masa ito ka tubig? Tap water na unya. Dana. So, sa ito pa na mo nakita ng mga mosquito, right? Oh, now. Na ako no, 30. Oh.
asa 30.
So, per pot, pila naman ang matigom ninyong mosquito larvae? Larvae na or mosquito? Larvae. Pila ka larvae ni doon sa kada pot?
Sa canal water kay 2000 kay 120.
120, so tag 30-30? Sakto ba?
At 20 kay pag patong day 8 kay 30 man to.
Dito gani siya?
Pag day 8.
I-multiply? Oh my God, kamo dyan hinungdan nga no, madinggi na rin. Okay, na mo question, no? Ay, yun na, dano mo sa Sanveri, ha? Dahil mo natang lamok dito. Kasi di nga yan. Okay. So, your study suggests that canal water is the best breeding ground. Based on this, what specific advice would you give to our local community?
We would advise them to
Pagbisigan na lang ko rin.
we would advise them to have less canal water.
Less canal water? No.
Less bodies of canal water
Okay.
where there are multiple pipes that are leaking with canal water and dirty water everywhere.
So, i-remove nila ang canal water. May yung advice nila.
Yes, and stop the leakage.
Stop the leakage. Okay. So, ano po ay umaning species. Okay. So, in trial 1, days 1 to 7, you recorded 0 larvae in all containers. Why do you think larvae only began to appear or survive starting day 8? Ngano man? Kinangin siya. Kinangin. Ano kapag day 8 na sila nagpakita? Pag 1 to 7, wala yung larvae. Why do you think so? Okay, anybody who would like to help? Okay.
I researched that usually mosquito larvae cycles usually around 7 to 10 days.
Okay. Thank you. Very good. No, okay, next. No. You noted that tap water has a lower rate survival because of chlorine. Did you test the chlorine levels or is this just an assumption based on your experience? Ikaw, kung anong gusto nga.
Wala naman ako ng chlorine.
Pero ganong niinguman mo nga kanang kuan, where did you base your assumption? Na ang chlorine mo hinungdan nga nung nangamatay sila.
Wala man sila namamatay mo namin.
Ingon gibutan. Ganong gibutan mo sa iyo kape.
Namin na po isa tap water mo.
You know that tap water is wrong because of chlorine. Inyong less ayun, lower survival ha. Okay, another. Why did you choose to conduct only 2 trials instead of 3?
May limited naman ang
Limited. Okay. Were the results of trial 1 consistent with trial 2? No? What did you notice? What's the difference between trial 1 and trial 2?
trial 1 lang guys. 0 pa man ang wala pa may mga mosquito larvae sa trial.
Di man good, ang trial 1 ang nila is 1 to 7 days. Ang trial 2, 8 to kuan. So we suggest that when you do trials, it must be at the same time, must be the same. Dili pwede nga i-continue lang yung trial 1, okay na. Na, dili na ha. It's not like that. Okay, based on your hypothesis, sa inyong duha ka hypothesis, which hypothesis would you accept?
Alternative hypothesis.
Okay. And ako'y correction gamay ha. So, palihog inyong objectives, repetitive ra kayo. Measure, compare, evaluate. Dapat magkataas siya ha. Okay, revise na. Then, i-refine to count the daily survival rate or to identify the water type. Mga na ba? Then, under independent variable, palihog og add of close parenthesis ha. Dahil yung type ko. Okay?
Next note ako sa correction.
Na ano ko ihatag nito. Then, sunod. Ako, mo suggest ko ay mo gamit og bar graph. Line graph. Kay mas makita mo ang survival rate over time, mas kuan siya ba? Kay kung mag-bar graph mo, hindi mo makita over time, man good. Okay? Sunod, palihog ko sa citation ha, then expected results, please to improve but it yun. Talungan ninyo ha. Okay. But however, ang inyong p-value is significant man. So sakto lang din nag-accept ninyo ang alternative hypothesis. Okay. Sa inyo ang mosquito sa Aedes aegypti, no? Aedes aegypti. Then, mo mag-study about, or nag-research mo about Aedes aegypti, kung sa iyang mga characteristics, asa siya mo puyo. Kay, based sa mo ang study diri, ang Aedes aegypti is, mupuyo na siya sa clean water. Dili na siya mupuyo, o kanang kaarti na siya ng klaseng lamok. Then, kapano naman ita nga ang Aedes aegypti is mupuyo na siya sa clean water. So, walang nag-specify pa man din o mga different types of water. So, much better tingali kung area, kung asa nga area, pwede possible nga mabutangan ang lamok. Okay? So, sa may yung hanggi, kaya ikaw man na, tingnan mo, may claim mo nga ma'am, ang lamok nga mong istadihan ma'am is Aedes aegypti. Then, ang lamok nga Aedes aegypti is mupuyo gina siya o limpyo na stagnant na tubig. Di gina siya mupuyo o kanal. Okay? Then, nagkuhan mo din ha about different types of water. Then, specify naman ni diri, Aedes aegypti can survive. So, can survive. So, how ka man nga nakapait man mo ana? Grade 7 ba sila ba yun?
Dili man mi sure man kung
Dili na mo sure? Okay. So, di na sure. Kabaw mo sa ng Aedes aegypti. Kailan mo dagway sa Aedes aegypti? Sa may dagway anak eh?
wala siya
Layud? Patay tali. Yellow. Dili na Aedes aegypti. Uy, ang Aedes aegypti is black and white nga. Nga na siya stripe.
So muna siya nga is chickpea. Oh, lahi na siya ang mosquito nga atong makita nga sana siya brown or black na puro. Lahi na siya kay kung yung tag-ini si chickpea is pintik-pintik na meron siya stripe. Dahil ka na siya ka mosquito hamon siya hinungdan nga nung na ay dengue. Okay? Then then plus pag yun is kay ni hatag mga specific good nga mosquito ko then don't tell me nga inyo nagibutang sa open area dapat ha kaligid siya it is si chickpea lagi ang butang din how about the other mosquitoes klase nga mosquitoes sure gid mo nga 100% kay it is si chickpea gid na siya tanan diba no? Oh, so it means dili kita mo butang specific nga klase nga mosquito. Oh, mosquito kay siya ka gani dili man ta ka-identify kung it is chickpea kana number lang sa larvae nga naa din na ito makita lang. Okay? Sige. So napay mga questions?
Di lang kayo medyo confused pagyapon ko gamay. Kanang balik lang ko ha kay basin wala lang jud ko makaklaro ani ganina natubag ko gini ninyo no. Balik lang jud ko. Okay, ang inyong title is the effect of water type on the survival of mosquito larvae. So ang inyong ra jud purpose ani is inyo lang jud i-identify sa asa na tubig mudaghan ang nalaghan ang mosquito. More yun ang purpose. So without kanang giving of any solution right after no kung say buhaton katulad jud ang purpose ani nga i-identify lang jud ang type sang water nga asa ang mosquito nalaghan. Am I correct or not? More jud ano? Lo, unsa may tinuod, nagtando lang sila. Sakto ba ko na maura jud na ang inyong gi-identify ang type ra jud sa water no? Kung asa ang mosquito nalaghan, yes or no? Larvae nalaghan, yes or no? Okay. Sige, ikaw na lang.
Okay, so klaro na sila sa ilang mga questions. So ako questions na lang is what could this be o sa impact ani sa community or who can benefit this study if ever
I-identify man ninyo. So what
Yes.
will happen next?
because we could really if yun yung padayon ba we could revise the title because inyong title walay para kakinsa. Kulangan the effect of water type for of mosquito larvae for para kang kinsa. Sige, anybody?
Can you repeat that question?
I will not repeat my question. Sige, I will repeat my question. Ang inyong title is the effect of water type. And my question is, para kay kinsa, kinsa maka-benefit sa inyong study?
This could benefit multiple people. By closing off leakages that have canal water or
Closing of
leakages.
leakages. Ayun.
And trying to lessen the bodies of water.
I'm asking who can benefit.
Di ba naman masigiti kayo sa study? Ano yung basa ka?
Community will be the one who will benefit.
Community.
Yes.
In what way?
So they can gain knowledge about reducing the canal water to prevent spread diseases like malaria, dengue, and other borne diseases that is caused by mosquito larvae.
Okay, what else? Who can add aside from community? Very good.
Students circuit. Sila yung knowledge mo sa mga tubig i-lesson nila.
Okay, very good. What else? Kana sa mula ni Timo. Okay. Mana ang community, mana ang students.
Teachers.
teachers, tay, in what way man makabenefit?
Kaya pwede nila sila kalamang matutuan nila ang student kanya. Daghan po puno po ang mga knowledge sa mga student. Pwede po sila maka-teach.
Okay, what else? Sige. Sige. Tulong tayo makabenefit. Community, teachers, students. It's a pa. Nanyo yan.
Government.
In what way? What government man by using the budget of flood control? Sige, last one na. Ikaw dahil. Natalag mic na. AJ.
Anyone living near these bodies of water can be informed that since these areas are where these are most likely to move.
Okay, very good. Sige, wala na. Natuan. Wala na pang sige, thank you so much. Magpaki yung kagalang. Very good.